Hi YouTube, welcome back. In this video we're going to troubleshoot and fix Bluetooth issues both at software and hardware levels. So let's start. So we're going to start with the software level, and the first instance is where Bluetooth cannot pair with the device. So in that case, make sure your device is on and in pairing mode. So many devices have different method of turning them in pairing mode, so make sure you go through the manual for that option. And again, make sure that there's no other Bluetooth device around which is trying to connect with the device you are connecting to, or maybe it might be connected, so make sure you disconnect from all the others before you proceed to connecting to your Bluetooth device. In other instances, for example this one, you can try to connect, but it won't connect, but they are paired. So in that case, it means your Bluetooth is either off or connected to other devices. So the only thing you need to do here is just to turn it on, disconnect from other devices which are connected to it. And the most common issue we usually get is an issue with your Bluetooth drivers. So to get there, so usually press on Windows X to get to this menu and then click on device manager. So it will open this and you can see our Bluetooth is disabled. So if I try to connect to any Bluetooth device with my driver disabled, it definitely will not work. So the only thing you need to do here is you highlight your driver and then you click on enable device. This is the last option here, so you click on, and by default you should have your Bluetooth working. Other cases you might find an exclamation mark like the one I have here, but in that case it will be on your Bluetooth driver. So the only thing that you need to do there is so you'll highlight and click on update, then you'll search automatically, or you can browse to your computer if you have that specific driver. But if you don't have the Bluetooth hardware in your computer, so we have so many options like USB to Bluetooth, a dongle, a device like this one, which you will plug into your USB port, and most of them are plug and play, so you'll just plug them. From there you can go ahead and use that to do all the things you want to do. Or you can use a Bluetooth receiver and a transmitter like we did in our previous video. I'll link it in a card somewhere here. So that way you can be able to stream your audio to a device, and now you can be able to listen to your audio externally. So I hope that was helpful enough. Give us a like and give us a subscription if you've not. So thank you, and see you in the next one.